Bonjour, friends. Today we dive into the exciting world of French verb endings in the présent de l'indicatif, the present indicative tense. We will cover regular verbs in ER and IR, plus important irregular verbs in OIR, RE, and IR.
Let's begin with regular ER verbs, using the model verb aimer. For the je form with aimer, we say j'aime. For example, j'aime le chocolat means I like chocolate. J'aime le chocolat. For the tu form, it's tu aimes. For example, tu aimes le cinéma means do you like the cinema? Tu aimes le cinéma. For il, elle, or on, the form is il aime, elle aime, or on aime. For example, elle aime danser means she likes to dance. Elle aime danser. Moving to the nous form with aimer, we use nous aimons. For example, nous aimons voyager means we like to travel. Nous aimons voyager. For the vous form, it's vous aimez. For example, vous aimez le vin means do you like wine? Vous aimez le vin. And for il or elle, the form is ils aiment or elles aiment. For example, ils aiment le football means they like soccer. Ils aiment le football.
Now let's move to regular IR verbs using the model verb finir. For je and tu with finir, we use je finis and tu finis. For example, je finis mon travail means I finish my work. Je finis mon travail. For il, elle, or on, the form is il finit, elle finit, or on finit. For example, il finit le repas means he finishes the meal. Il finit le repas. With nous, we say nous finissons. For example, nous finissons tôt means we finish early. Nous finissons tôt. For vous, the form is vous finissez. For example, vous finissez maintenant means are you finishing now? Vous finissez maintenant. And for il or elle, it's ils finissent or elles finissent. For example, elles finissent leurs devoirs means they finish their homework. Elles finissent leurs devoirs.
Now we shift to irregular verbs, starting with vouloir. With vouloir, the je form is je veux. The tu form is tu veux, and il, elle, on uses il veut, elle veut, on veut. For example, je veux un café means I want a coffee. Je veux un café. For nous, it's nous voulons. For vous, it's vous voulez. And for il or elle, it's ils veulent or elles veulent. For example, nous voulons partir means we want to leave. Nous voulons partir.
Next irregular verb is prendre. With prendre, je prends, tu prends, and il, elle, on uses il prend, elle prend, on prend. For example, je prends le métro means I take the metro. Je prends le métro. Then nous prenons, vous prenez, and ils prennent or elles prennent. For example, vous prenez du thé means do you take tea? Vous prenez du thé.
Finally, the irregular verb tenir. With tenir, je tiens tu tiens, and il, elle, on uses il tient, elle tient, on tient. For example, je tiens la porte means I hold the door. Je tiens la porte. Then, nous tenons, vous tenez, and ils tiennent or elles tiennent. For example, nous tenons une réunion means we hold a meeting. Nous tenons une réunion.
Great job! You've now covered all the key present tense endings for regular ER and IR verbs, plus the irregulars vouloir, prendre, and tenir. Practice these forms and examples every day to speak French with confidence. Au revoir, and see you next time.